Alright guys, so welcome back to Chumley 105, and as you can see, we got more rain, and it's just that much worse now. So I guess we're going to check out the flood damage today and see what all havoc it caused. As you can see on our trails here, we have running water through it currently. And that's obviously not normal, so hopefully nothing got damaged. I mean, it looks kind of bad now, so. But anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to explore a little bit, see what all water damage has been caused by the flood, and hopefully everything's okay. So let's go ahead and check it out. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna get across this. Oh, Jesus. Not this deep either, so got a lot of wet weather springs running today. Oh God, goats. Alright, everybody's back in the corral. Is normally supposed to run right there through that culvert, and it is obviously reached its outer banks, so have to take precaution here. The dam's flowing pretty good. Typically it doesn't run near as fast as that. It's actually kind of just a slow stream. So definitely got some force behind that. Which obviously it's flood waters. I mean, why wouldn't it? But I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to find something to talk about. Don't beat me up in the comments. you, that right there is a giant cave, and as you can see, it's overfilled, and now it's running over the road into a dry creek, or what used to be a dry creek. Hurry up here. Now it's running across the road in this church parking lot. So we're going to get to the side here. I know for a fact that this is shallow. You know, I really need a jet ski for this instead of a Banshee. It'd probably make a lot more sense. Alright guys, so I guess that's the end of the road, pun intended, but thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're trying to grow here at this channel, so that'd be greatly appreciated if you guys could do that for us. But until next time, we'll catch y'all later.